Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your editor and the browser DevTools now. Make sure the console tab is visible. Use console.log for values console, error for errors and console. Warn for warnings. This gives you immediate colored feedback. Once done, run the script in Node with Node file, JS, or refresh the page to see output. Make small, focused logs, variables, function entry, or object snapshots. This saves time when you inspect how data flows through your code. Now inspect complex data with console. Table. It lays out arrays and objects in rows for quick scanning. That matters when you have many items. Use formatting placeholders like %O and template literals to show structures without collapsing them, and console. Dir, if you need interactive inspection. When you have related logs, group them with console. Group and console. Group end to keep the console readable. Collapsed groups are great for noise control. Make sure to clear with console. Clear between sessions to avoid stale output. Finish by auditing your logs. Remove noisy console. Log calls or wrap them with an environment check so production stays clean. Use console, time and console, time end, to measure slow functions and identify bottlenecks quickly. If a message never appears, make sure DevTools filters aren't hiding it, confirm your script runs in the environment you expect, and verify build tools didn't strip console calls. If errors persist, add a minimal reproducer and log step by step until the issue is isolated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.